4 fun ways to clean our home with our kids. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Our home is a place where as a family we live together, especially now that there is a pandemic caused by COVID-19, we have more and more time with our kids. Nonetheless, there are fun and entertaining activities to clean and organize our homes with them. In this video, we will get tips to not spend our time useless with our kids during this pandemic, instead gain more bonding and deepen our relationships with them. Instead of spending their time on anything, such as spending their time watching TV, movies, or videos and gaming on their gadgets, why not include them in our schedule or list of cleaning our home? Let's give them specific thing to do. Isn't that exciting and fun? Here are at least 4 fun and effective ways we can do cleaning our home with our kids. First, let us give our kids their own task. Let's make it challenging and fun. It's nice to have simple or small reward. It's up to you what you think might be a simple yet best reward in accomplishing the task. After each one has done his or her task, we as parents will check or evaluate their accomplished task if they are clean or well. Second, let's ask them how they performed the task. Asking them in a fun way how they performed the task, what are their techniques that looks effective for them doing the job, then after that, giving them ideas on how to perform the task with seriousness, for sure they will learn important things from the job they performed. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know, and please subscribe to our channel to be updated with our new FastKlean videos. Third, let's show them the proper way to perform the task. After checking or evaluating their finished task and giving them ideas, we will help them fix and correct the cleanup. Show them the proper way to clean, and thus, not only do they enjoy, they will also learn how to help us and learn valuable things. Fourth, we as parents must have our own specific task. In this instance, we will let our kids to judge the quality of our work. And this is more challenging because the result of our performed task must be clean and neat. It is also very important and good for us to teach them how to do it well, so that they can learn and use it when we are busy with our work again. When we do this often, our home will stay clean and comfortable to live. And of course, surely our bonding and relationships with our kids will grow stronger. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out the best strategies dealing dust in your home. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. FastKlean works in partnership with EcoBravo. Together we want to change the world. Check our descriptions below to see our favorite products and use a special code for a 10% discount when you order via our channel.